Balikan Central Luzon, it's 27th year. Each year po, it is participated in by more than 100 MSMEs. For particularly this year, we have 148 MSMEs showcasing their quality and competitive products ranging from the processed foods, ang kita po ninyo dyan, furniture, furnishings, gifts and holiday decors, like for the Christmas season, bags, tie, jewelry, footwear, and other novelty and exciting products from the 7 provinces of the region from our lowlands and valleys. The fair is highlighted by a special showcase. Makikita niyo po yung ating special showcase po dyan, which involves the newly developed and improved products and product brands under the 1,000 product next generation of the DTI. The OTOP Next Generation Project is the expanded version of the 1,000 product Philippines or OTOP. This comes in the form of an expanded version called OTOP Next Generation, where the package of assistance and intervention towards this end is leveled up. So the participants of the Lihanan Central Luzon 2025, of course, were given mga assistance by the DTI, like seminars, training, product development, marketing consultancies, to develop our micro, small, and medium enterprises. Product development activities were implemented again under our One Tower product next generation, where prototypes of the enrolled MSMEs will be displayed during the fair, meaning starting today po, and that will be until 19. So, for today, this is a special event for the DTI Region 3 because ang Likha ng Central Luzon is one of the oldest na regional trade fairs in the country, and we have also the most number of exhibitors each year. So kung 27 years na po kami on our Lihanan Central Luzon, for more than 20 years po siguro ang location ng Lihanan Central Luzon is here at the SM Mega Mall yearly po yun. So it has been one of the most successful, generating millions in sales, both cash po yun, both and under negotiated sales po. So good afternoon po and welcome po sa ating opening ng Lihanan Central Luzon 2025.